whole grados, I'm Sequestion and today we are a new video tutorial for Christmas. Today I will show you how I made the decoration and set up the house in Game of Thrones style. In particular, you will see the tree decoration, the crib and a garland. It takes very little to do everything and it's extremely simple. I'd like to remind you to catch my Facebook or Instagram page from the link in the description to download the project or find others. Then I say start. Our first project, let's see how to make these cute golden key charms. I use gold because I use gold for the entire tree, but you can use the color you prefer. First of all, I bought the key charm from AliExpress and I painted them with acrylic gold. I removed the hook and put a Christmas balls hook. As second project, we see 3 mini dragon eggs. They may seem complicated, but they are very simple. You need to take a polystyrene egg and start attaching all the drawing pins so you can do the scales. Once done, I painted it first with the golden spray and then with acrylic gold to give more shades. When finished, I attached the hood and hung them on the tree. As third project, I made these balls with the 1000 face of the red gold. I bought from AliExpress some wooden balls and I printed the face of the characters I want to make. The PDF to print is in the description. Once the image is cropped, you have to pass some PVA glue on the photos and glue it to the ball. Once dry, with a wet finger, scrape away the white of the paper. As you can see, the figure below appears slowly. As fourth project, I made these little paper dragons. You have to cut a square of cardboard, fold it in half and draw the shape of the figure and then cut it. Once put the hook, they are ready to hang. As fifth project, I made this festoon with all the arms of the families. I printed so many of these leaves. The PDF is in the description, and once cut them, I took an embroidery thread and glued them one by one. There I suggest you print at least 5 or 6 sheets. They seem a lot, but they are never enough. In addition to the tree, I also made this very simple garland, taking and breaking branches found in the countryside, gluing them with hot glue and painting them with white. Then I took free leaves and covered them with glue so they would not break anymore. I painted them in red and glued them to the wood. For the crib, first of all I cut out this cardboard base and made an X structure with the wire, gluing it with hot glue. I added reinforcement inside and then I started covering it with crumple paper. To add details, I added some laces and cords. Then I took these bags of fake straws and moss, which is generally used for the cribs, and glued them in and around. With the cardboard I made this mini container where I put this little dragon eggs. After painted everything, as last touch, I put a red star on the top of the calisar. And nothing, I hope you enjoyed these little tutorials. Let me know how you are making your tree, and I remind you to catch my Facebook or Instagram page that you will find in the description. I also do cosplay, drawings and a lot of other stuff. If you like the video, put a like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Bye!